My name is Lukas, starts with L as in like, ends with S as in subscribe. Please do both, and in the meantime I'm gonna talk about my top 3D prints and accessories for Father's Day 2026. Now, I am not a father myself, so you might say it does require some balls sitting here pretending to know what fathers want this year. But luckily I do have my balls right here in my custom ball holder. Right now it does say Daddy's Lucky Balls, but you can just customize this however you want on a Maker World, of course. And actually these golf balls themselves, since this is a golf ball holder, if you didn't get that already, 3D printed of course, straight from another print on Maker World, as well as this peg, although sadly this specific peg design did not go fully through the Daddy's Lucky Ball holder here. But yeah, again, you have every single thing you could possibly imagine and things you did not imagine on Maker World. Next print, and maybe a little bit more traditional Father's Day gift, is this minimalist Father's Day statue. This is the father and son version, and they also have a father and daughter version on Maker World. And there are two things I really like about this specific model. First of all, it does actually have some designer-designed support, so it does not only rely on the automatic supports in Bamboo Studio. The designer is actually taking the time to customize the supports, which make the entire removing experience and also the final result so much better. And the second reason is that since this is printing vertically, or it's printing as it looks right now, you can also pre-program this the last thing you're doing, assuming that your dad do go to sleep earlier than what you are. But yeah, when he wakes up in the morning, I think that he's gonna have an absolutely amazing start on an absolutely amazing day. Continuing with the Father's Day, when it's time for the breakfast coffee or the breakfast tea, you can serve that on this funny Father's Day coaster with the world's greatest fart. I mean, father using this under his cup. Last year, I did another coaster in the shape of an LP player. I got so many comments because I had no idea that LPs could actually be blue or other colors. So I'm gonna link that again for this video down in the description, but I've already covered that last year. But if you did not print that one and you want to have maybe a shorter or just faster print, you do have some very funny other coasters as well on Maker World, but this is my favorite one that I will most likely bring to my father next time I see him. Another gift that I think will work very, very well is this plaque, or a round gift, I think it's called, which basically is just decoration. But what I really, really like about this is that although it does have different colors, it is actually printing layer by layer. Although technically, basically every FDM 3D printer is printing layer by layer, but it switches the colors layer by layer. So even if you do have a single nozzle printer, there will be almost no waste compared to if this will be printing in this vertical direction. And another genius idea is here on the back, where it not only has this hole for be hanging up on the wall, it also comes with this super easy just print in place and just attach it like this design, so it can stand up by itself as well, which I just think deserves so many bonus points and also boosts when we do have this truly 3D printed solutions where you don't need any glue, you don't need any tools, you don't need a single screw. And then maybe in the morning, if you do wake up before your dad, just putting this in a place that he may or may not see it throughout the day. And speaking about layers, here we have the Father's Day layer decoration, which actually prints in 3 different parts and then just put together in, you guessed it, layers. So it also adds a lot of 3D depth. Since we all are 3D printers, we of course also want that 3D depth on our maybe more flatter designs as well. And I do love the fact that you can print this on any printer. Don't need any of these newer tool changers or the dual nozzles like the X2D or whatever. It is just plain straight to the point, although you might need to print it 3 times depending on the printer and the size of your printer. But yeah, very, very much like these kind of designs. And again, just something that you can put in the kitchen or in your living room and just basically see how long it takes before your dad actually notices. Now, moving away from these classic Father's Day prints, and something that hopefully will be useful every single day of the year, is this Cascade wallet, which, if you have been subscribing to my channel for a while, and if not, if this is the first time seeing this channel, please do subscribe now already, since we are regularly talking about top 3D prints, but also a lot of 3D printing tutorials, specifically when it comes to Bambu Lab and most recent printers. Anyway, as I was saying, I've actually already printed out this version last year, but since my dad then got the last year's Cascade wallet, I decided it's time to print out one more for myself this time. Now, this time I did print this in PLA, although ABS and ASA is recommended for this design. But if you are interested in printing in, for example, ASA or ABS, but you don't have the printer for it, or maybe you don't want to make that investment and actually purchase like 1 or 2 massive spools of ASA ABS without actually knowing these materials, then I highly recommend to check out the sponsor of today's video, Just Way. Because with Just Way, the only thing you have to do is just provide them with an STL file, and then you pick the actual material and the color that you might want. For example, ASA, ABS, TPU, or you can do what I do, and I use them for stainless steel, printing out this BQ plate that I actually designed myself with, of course, a lot of help and inspiration from other models on MakerWorld. Quality, super nice, but what I really like is that before you actually go through with the purchase, they will make sure to confirm the print that you're provided, just to make sure that it can actually be produced. And if you do use my coupon code and the link down in the description, you will get $5 off your first order with Just Way as well. But now it's time to change gears, literally actually, because now we do have the Gear Shift Fidget Toy XXL, which is, I guess, just a dad's version of these fidget toys that are so popular. I can promise you that if, for example, your dad or anyone else that you want to give this to actually has no experience with 3D printing, they're gonna be absolutely amazed, and they are gonna fidget until the gear or the fingers fall off. I do believe that this also comes with a TPU base. You can actually put this on the desktop when you're like in front of your computer. I have been trying to abuse this as much as I can for the past like 3 days, and although it does leave like quite a lot of marks here, like on the actual handle or the stick, so far it holds up well. I think, and yeah, definitely if you are into fidgets and or manual gears or cars, I guess 100% recommend to print this out. But now it's time for a little bit more useful print, or prints I should say, because this is actually 2 different prints. Here we do have the Micro EDC, which means everyday carry, pocket ratchet driver, as well as the Micro EDC ratchet case. Both the ratchet driver and this case is 100% print in place. You can customize the colors any way you want it. It does come with some magnetic pockets here as well. It has been designed for 6x3mm magnets, I believe, but I used 6x2mm and then just 1 extra millimeter of glue underneath, and it works as a charm. Although I can also see why this may not really qualify as a good Father's Day gift. So instead, if you do want to go the extra mile, here we have the Fanttik E2 Pro cordless electric screwdriver. Fanttik is not sponsoring this video. They have not paid me anything to say this, but they did send me this to try out for myself. I have been using this for the last couple of weeks, and I have to say, this is not only the best screwdriving system that I have, it is definitely by far the most premium one as well. And when Fanttik reached out, asked if they could send me a screwdriver set, I specifically asked for this S2 Pro version, since it pairs perfectly, or complements I should say, this Bambu Lab screwdriver set that I already had, because here I do have every single one of these hex bit sizes that you could possibly need when it comes to 3D printing, whereas this one has basically everything else that I could possibly need that has nothing to do with 3D printing. But if you do want the all-in-one solution for 3D printing and you don't already have this bit set from Bambu Lab, I recommend to check out their E2 Ultra setup as well, since that is a little bit more focused on 3D printing. And by that I mean that the E2 Ultra includes the H1.5, H2.0, H2.5 and all of those H bits that we don't get included in this S2 Pro. Another fantastic Fanttik product that I do highly recommend is the T1 Max Soldering Iron Kit, which, if you have no idea what a soldering solution has to do with 3D printing, then neither do I actually, because I don't really care about the soldering part. But what I do care about is this soldering pen, because this is the perfect tool for these heat set inserts, specifically due to this smaller size. So if you are often using, for example, these M2 or M3 screws, then this will fit perfectly with those heat inserts that you can use to just literally melt down into your PLA model, for example. But my main favorite thing about this is the USB-C charging, because this is truly cordless, which just makes the usage so much simpler. I don't know about the actual like battery time you have it up there, but more than enough for any kind of like 3D printing needs. And of course you have links to both these Fanttik products here. I don't get any commission, I don't get any money for saying this, so yeah, I couldn't really care less, other than I do think that it's genuinely great products that would fit perfectly for Father's Day gift. Next print is maybe a little bit biased and maybe more focused on my specific dad, but I am just gonna assume that all dads are basically the same. My dad loves optical illusions, and here we have a 3D printed one. It's an illusion that breaks the laws of physics, is the name at least. And I haven't actually seen this footage back, so I don't really know how it looks like on the camera, but in real life it is just not impressive at all. There is no illusion whatsoever. It is literally just like a design that looks like this. But if you are, for example, maybe sending this to your dad or something, yeah, I don't know. It as a gift, it kind of falls short because, yeah, not that impressive in person. But I saw this online and I wanted to try it out myself. And based on the video, it's either pretty cool or not also that cool on video as well. So I think it's time for us to continue with this video and see what other cards we have up our sleeves. And that is, of course, this entire full deck of playing cards, plus a case if you do want to print out that, just in case you do want to store this card somewhere as well. I went with maybe a little bit boring design, just black cards and then some green colors here. But on this card playing topic, first of all, if you are going to go out and print, I would say that the overall design with this, perfect. It literally feels exactly like an entire real deck of cards. But what I would recommend is that if you are going through the trouble to actually print an entire deck of cards for yourself, customize it. Way more than I have done. And again, the best way to customize anything in specifically like Bamboo Studio is to just use the mesh graffiti, which I do have an entire video about as well. So if you have never heard about that, go and check out my video that also will be linked somewhere. And you can literally just customize this entire deck of cards exactly like you want. Very, very nice. Of course, it's going to be much faster to just go out and buy a deck of cards, but it's all about the customization. And continue on the card topic, because I do feel like playing cards is just one of these like stereotypical activities with either your dad or just like elder relatives. And if you have one of those, then I also recommend that you should get one of these, which is the playing card holder, where you can just set up all your playing cards, 3D printed or not, and just making it so much easier to get a better access of all the cards. And yeah, depending on who you're playing with, I think this could be genuinely appreciative and just a great tool for people in need if they do want to continue playing some cards. And another tool on the same topic, if you don't want to go all in with this specific playing card holder, we do have another print here that is just a hand version, where also a lot easier to just put cards in here, and then you can just store as many cards as you could possibly fit, and it's very easy to just hold it like this. This will be more great for kids, I think, because I remember like starting to learn playing cards, my hands were like cramping after a while. But with this one, you could literally just like store everything just like that, and you would have very easy access for kids in all ages. And if you do want to go all in, I would recommend for your next family gathering, print out personalized deck of cards with their own face or like their own favorite pets or whatever. Everything basically is possible with Maker World, and because these are like super thin, you also don't have that many color changes. So even if you do have a single nozzle printer, even like Bamboo Lab A1, one. You can just print this out without wasting basically any waste at all, especially considering what you're actually getting back. But to round up, if you instead do want to waste a lot of things, mainly time, and again back to what at least my dad would absolutely love, is this 1 million turn challenge gear crank fidget, where basically just like putting this together is like a project by itself. If you're into engineering, I think you will love it. If you, like myself, are just useless when it comes to any kind of engineering, you will not love it, but it'll still be manageable. They do have one animated GIF that I ended up just taking a lot of screenshots on, just so I get every single step of the process. Not that bad. There's only like one way everything fits together, and if you just pay attention to the details, specifically this little thing that goes in the middle, it has like these like the different pegs, so it just fits in one direction. Just pay attention to how everything has been designed. Look at the image, and if you're doing anything wrong, if something doesn't fit, just look closer and you will manage to get it to work. But something I will never manage to do is to complete this challenge, I think. Basically, I'm not going to say purpose, but what the meaning behind this gear crank is that it's going to take over 1 million rotations, or like gear passes, to actually flip this one single unit. It's going to take 1,048,576 rotations, which I don't know why you would want to do that, but yeah, there you have it at least. It's just maybe fun for a minute or two, but it's going to be fun for a minute or two for everyone who's trying it, just to see like how many rotations they can actually do. Everyone will be tired before 200, but again, it's just one of these things that everyone will enjoy just for a very, very short period of time. And hopefully everyone also enjoyed this entire video, and not only for like a short period of time. And again, if you do, please do remember that my name is Lukas, starts with L as in like, ends with S as in subscribe. Please do both, and see you all in the next one.